Hey everyone, have you ever dreamed of creating amazing content without feeling overwhelmed by the process? Well, today I'm here to tell you how AI can make that dream a reality. Let's dive into the magic of AI for aspiring creators. First up, let's demystify the AI revolution. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's transforming the way we create content. From writing and editing to video generation, AI tools are more accessible than ever, even for beginners. Imagine having a personal assistant that can help you craft compelling scripts, outline your ideas, and even conduct research. Sounds incredible, right? Next, let's talk about boosting your productivity. AI can save you tons of time by automating those repetitive tasks that usually bog you down. Need multiple variations of an idea? AI can generate them in no time, giving you more freedom to focus on your creative thinking. Think of it as having an endless supply of inspiration at your fingertips. Now let's unleash your inner innovator. AI isn't just about efficiency, it's a powerful brainstorming partner. Struggling with new content ideas? Let AI spark your creativity. You can even explore AI-powered image and video generators to enhance your visual storytelling. And the best part? AI helps you stay ahead of trends and adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. When using AI in content creation, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. Responsible use means being mindful of the potential pitfalls and ensuring that AI enhances your creativity without compromising your integrity. The future of AI in content creation is exciting, but it's up to us to navigate it wisely. So how can you get started? Here are some actionable tips and resources to help you integrate AI into your workflow. First, check out tools like Jasper for writing assistance, Canva for AI-powered design, and Lumen 5 for video creation. These tools are user-friendly and can take your content to the next level. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore the world of AI. The possibilities are endless. To wrap things up, remember that AI is here to amplify your creativity, not replace it. Embrace these tools, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Unlock the magic of AI and transform your content creation journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content creation tips. Catch you in the next one.